Welcome to Rajco Technologies. Before starting the topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel. In this channel, there are many useful Oracle, Unix, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica ISS IDMC, Snowflake, Python, and many other courses. Videos are available. You can watch the videos, practice them. While practicing, if you like them, please press a like button and comment on the videos. And we have a website called rajinformatica.com. In this website, we have many materials like PowerCenter, Informatica, Unix, Oracle, Snowflake, Python, and many interview questions like PowerCenter, Oracle, ISCS, Snowflake, Python, and many courses, interview questions and material available. Please browse my channel, rajinformatica.com, for many other courses. We have been in this industry from 3 years, and we have completed almost 25 batches of Informatica, and we have started Snowflake training, Python full stack training, and we'll be starting all the cloud and all the other trainings. You please keep browsing my rajinformatica.com channel for more courses, and please subscribe my channel. I hope everybody. Good morning all. Welcome to Rajco Technologies. I hope everyone able to hear me. Yeah, okay. So before starting the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'm sending the YouTube channel link to you. So please subscribe this YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Training. Okay. So there are many useful, you can open this and you can subscribe this channel if you not subscribed. In this, there are many useful Informatica, ISCS, Oracle, Unix, AWS, Python, okay, and many other useful videos available. So you can watch them, okay, and you can like and comment. Also, please, we have a website called rajinformatica.com. So in this website, okay, you can see what are the courses we have. Okay, I'm sending you here. In this, you can see what are the courses we are offering. We are offering Python for AI with ChatGPT, and we are starting AWS DevOps. We are starting Tableau, Snowflake, Python full stack, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud, etc. Okay, so these are the things we are covering. And in my website, there are different materials available: Oracle, Unix, Informatica, ISCS, and many materials will be added in this. So please go through that. Okay. Now today's session is Informatica PowerCenter 25th batch. So this is 25th batch, first session. Okay. So today is our Informatica PowerCenter training 25th batch, first session. So before starting the session, I want to introduce myself. I'm Nataraj. People call me Raj. I am from Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh. So I have around 13 years experience into software industry. So I worked in several companies like HCL, Capgemini, Dell, HTC, etc. So in these 4 or 5 companies, I have almost worked 13 years on several Informatica tools like I have worked on Informatica PowerCenter, I have worked on Informatica ISS, IDMC, I have worked on MDM, TDQ, IDQ, TDM, okay, ILM. There are many tools I have worked in these 13 years. Okay, so I am going to teach you here Informatica PowerCenter. So till now, 25 batches, 24 batches completed. Around 15,000 people. Uh, I have given training to 15,000 people online. Okay. So whoever attended the live sessions daily, whoever practiced on daily basis, they all got the jobs. Okay. So now let's start our Informatica PowerCenter online training, 25th batch, session 1. Okay. So now the timings are morning 9:30 to 11:30, daily basis. Okay. So morning 9:30 to 11:30 on daily basis. We have hold on a second. Yeah. We have the daily sessions. First 2 weeks will be alternative sessions. So that means next session will be on Monday. Next session will be on Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. After 2 weeks, it will be daily session. Okay, that's how we will deal with. Okay, so as I told you, okay, as I told you, our timings are 9:30, 11:30. So once you join the session, you need to install Oracle and Informatica in your laptops. I hope everyone is having laptops. Do you have laptops, everyone? Can you reply, please? Everyone are having laptops? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you need to install Oracle 11G and Informatica 10.2, 2.20. These two software you need to install. So my team will send. This is our official number. Okay, 9880490148. Okay, WhatsApp and calls. You can WhatsApp or you can call. If you want to only call, okay, 8105296858. Only calls, no WhatsApp. Okay, okay, no WhatsApp. 9113861544. This is also only calls, no WhatsApp. Only calls, no WhatsApp. Okay, so you can either WhatsApp to this number or call to this number, or if you want to only call, you can call to any of these numbers. These are Raj Cloud Technologies official numbers. Okay, so my team will send you installation link, installation links, software installation links, and also step-by-step video, which I have prepared. You can go through that video and you can install Informatica by Monday. You need to install. Try to install by Monday. Okay. So a step-by-step installation video will be given to you. By watching the video, you can install easily. While you are installing, if you get any doubt, if you get any doubt, then WhatsApp always WhatsApp to this number. Okay. So my technical team will help you. Yes, please. Yeah. So the system requirements. The system requirements are you should have at least 6 GB RAM. Okay. And 150 GB hard disk available. If you have 4 GB RAM, then take it to laptop shop and make it as 8 GB. Or you can make 6 GB also. 8 GB will be faster than 6 GB. So minimum is 6 GB and maximum anything is fine. Okay. So that is how you need to. So that's how you need to. These are the system requirements. It should be 60-bit, 64-bit operating system, and any processor can work. i3, i7, Ryzen, Windows 8. It will be slow. If you have Windows 10 or 11, it will be speeder. Informatica will be speeder. If you have Windows 10 or 11, okay. So if you have 8, take to the laptop shop and ask them to upgrade to Windows 10 or 11. Okay. And if you have 512 SSD or 256 SSD, that will be faster. Okay, that will be faster. So this is about the system requirement. As I told you, first week, first 1 week or 2 weeks, those will be lifetime. That means the classes will be alternative. So day by day, one day after one day, the sessions will be there. So the today is a session. Next session is on Monday. Next session is on Tuesday. Next session is on Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. After 2 weeks, it will be daily sessions. After 2 weeks, so it will be daily sessions. Okay. Yeah. So now, after each live sessions, you will get recordings. The recordings will be lifetime. So you no need to worry. Yes, please. Recordings will be a lifetime. Okay. Hold on a second. Just hold on a second. 1 second, guys, please. So what I was saying, the recordings will be lifetime. Okay. So you no need to worry. After each live session, the recording will be available for you. Okay. So now, if you want to get a job easily, so till now many people got the jobs in from our training, and still the people are getting the jobs. Whoever trying effectively, whoever trying hard, they are getting the jobs. Okay. So if you need a job, you need to follow these steps. What are those? Number one, attend all live sessions. Number two, listen carefully. Number three, understand them. Number four, practice on daily basis. Number five, attend the interviews, then get the job. This is what you need to do it. So you have to attend the sessions on daily basis and you have to practice them as much as possible. Okay. So on daily basis, you will get the material link and you will get the recording of the days. Okay. So total 35 to 36 sessions will be there. The duration is 45 days. Okay. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. Yeah. So as I told you, the 2 hour session daily, you have to listen carefully whatever I am telling. You no need to note down. You no need to type it parallelly with me. You no need to do anything. The only thing is just you need to do is listen carefully whichever I am telling. In these 2 hours, whatever I am telling, just listen with concentration. Always join the meeting from laptop only. Do not join from mobile. Okay. So if you join from mobile, the screen will be very less and you will not understand what I am saying. And these also not visible at all. Okay. So as I told you, this is Informatica Power Center, job-based online training. Okay. So the duration is 70 to 80 hours. Okay. So 45 days. Now, what and all I will cover in this training? I will cover data warehousing basics, Oracle SQL basics, whichever is required for Informatica. Informatica Power Center basics to advanced, Unix basic commands, mini project, resume preparation, interview questions, and job assistance. Job assistance in the sense how to apply for the job, where to apply for the job, how to get the, how to, okay, yeah. So how to crack the interview, this and all I will cover. Okay. Yes, please. So now, as I told you, now, as I told you, after the session, each session, don't watch the recording and practice. So if you first listen carefully in the session, 1 second, please. So, sorry guys. First listen the session carefully. Okay. Then without watching the video, try to practice it. If you watch and practice 1,000 times, there is no use. But if you practice one time without watching video, that is very useful. So try to watch the video. So try to practice the video without watching the video. If you stuck somewhere, then watch the video. Until and unless, don't open the video. Try to practice like that one. Whatever you remember in the class. I told you, right? Okay. You listen carefully. Try to understand. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. And practice on today's things. Practice today only. And don't delay. Okay. So if you have any doubts, so our WhatsApp number 9880490148. I told you already. This is WhatsApp and calls. And you can call to this number also. Only calls, no WhatsApp. Only calls, no WhatsApp. Okay. Now, so whoever paid the full fee, we will be adding you to the WhatsApp group. Okay. So you can ask your doubts in the WhatsApp group and you can help, you can take the help from each other, the other people in the group. So for that, you need to pay the full fee, that is 15,000. Whoever paid less fee, they will be added after the full payment. Okay. This group, WhatsApp group, will be very effective. If you ask any questions, you will get a reply and they will answer you. Or if nobody answered, I will answer you. So you don't need to worry. So I told you already, if you want to get a job, the only shortcut is hard work. There is no shortcut for hard work. Okay. So you have to do the hard work. Listen carefully, practice, practice, practice. How much ever you can practice. How much time I want to practice daily? Practice 1 hour, practice 2 hours. Okay. Practice 5 hours. If you have, practice 10 hours if you have. How much ever free time you have, practice as much as you can. Okay. So if you practice, Informatica will be easy. Otherwise, you will not remember the steps. So try to practice daily 5 to 6 hours if you have time. Okay. So now in our training, we are dealing mainly with 3 subjects. One is Informatica, one is Unix, one is Oracle. So here the major part is Informatica and SQL also required. I'll tell most of the SQL concepts. Unix only basic commands is required. Unix not required full knowledge. So in these 45 days, we will learn 3 subjects. One is major subject, the other 2 are not major. Okay. So I told you, right? So maybe you are all came from a background like you are a BE background or BTech background, you are an MBA background, you are an MCA background, BSCA background, BSc background, BCom background, BA background, BBM background. So whatever the background you have, okay, whatever the college part passed out or whatever the course you completed in your academic, at least you will be having 15 plus subjects. So if you are a BE BTech students, you will be having 20 plus subjects. If you are a MC MBA student, you will be having 20 plus subjects. If you are a degree student, 15 plus subjects will be there. When you are able to listen, understand, practice, write the exam, and crack, and you got all, some got 80%, 70%, 60%, like that, you got all distinctions. When you are able to, when you are able to learn 15 plus subjects, why can't you learn 3 subjects? Okay. So just 3 subjects: Informatica, Oracle, Unix. Okay. So those are very easy. I'll make them easy for sure. Okay. You don't need to worry about it. Now, okay. I told you, you will get a job only when you take seriously. If you don't take seriously, nobody can be responsible. You have to take serious first. So you have to attend all the live sessions without fail. You have to practice them on daily basis. Now next. So you are having fear. All of ours is having fear, like I don't have communication skills, I don't get a job. I have a career gap, I will not get a job. I have education gap, I will not get a job. I don't know Oracle Informatica, I will not get job. First, leave the negative things in your mind. Be positive. Okay. So if you don't have communication skills, if you don't have a communication skill, okay, or if you don't know English, no need to worry. You no need to learn USA English. Just Indian simple English is required. However, I am speaking, that much if you speak, that is more than enough. So how to improve your communication skills? English, you cannot speak English by writing it, reading it, or watching it. No, you have to speak up. Select any of the pins in your family or friends. Okay, there will be any friend who knows English better than you. Try to speak with him or her on daily basis. How much ever you speaks, that much faster you will be good at English. Yes, English also important. English also important. Okay. So you no need to worry. Whatever the English you know, try to speak with them, and ask them to correct your sentence. Within 1 month, if you speak daily, you can speak like me. However, I am speaking, I am just speaking a simple English, which can be understandable by everyone. My English is like Telugu only. My mother tongue is Telugu. So my English also will be like Telugu only. I will be speaking very simple English. Okay. So if you wanted this kind of communication, you need to speak on daily basis. There is no other way. You need to speak up. Okay. So speak up as much as you can. Yes, please. So that is how it is. Now let's go to our actual topics. Okay. Let's go to our actual topics. Yeah. So as I told you, we are all learning here Informatica Power Center. So before learning Informatica Power Center, we must learn Oracle, a database. We must learn a database called Oracle SQL. Oracle, in that SQL also one part of it. Okay, so Informatica Power Center is an ETL tool. What is ETL? I tell. It is an ETL tool. So to learn any ETL tool, you must require database knowledge. That is Oracle knowledge or any other database knowledge. So now, first we will discuss with the database. Before going to database, what is called data? Anyone please? What is called data? Anyone quickly reply in the chat? So data is a collection of information. Data is a collection of information. So, what are the examples of data? What are the examples of data? Examples of data is retail data, healthcare data, okay, retail data, healthcare data, educational data, financial data. Yes, please. Educational data, financial data, banking data, financial data, both are same. Government data, okay, entertainment data. So these are all different forms of data. So wherever you go nowadays, everywhere the system will be there. So if you see, I passed out my MCA in 2008, okay, from Hyderabad. Okay. So at the time, or before that, suppose when I was completed my degree around 2005, I have completed my degree in 2005. At the time, in banks, in medical shops, or in retail shops, supermarkets, they are not using any system. They are writing down in the book. The time computers were not there in 2000. Not it was there, but not used in any in all the offices. Nowadays, everywhere you go to any shop, you go to a grocery shop, he will be having a system. You go to a pharmacy or a medical shop, he will be having a system. You go to college, he will be having a computer. You go to movie, he will be having a computer. You go to any government office, he will be having a computer. So what they will do, they will enter the data. So if you go to hospital, that is healthcare data. If you go to supermarket, it is retail data. If you go to bank, that is financial data. If you go to government office, that is government data. If you go to movie, that is entertainment data. So data is very important. So Data is collection of information, customer information. So now, where this data will store? Where this data will store? Where this data will store? Where the data will store? Data will store in database. So now database. What is database? Database is a collection of data. Database is a collection of data. Now, what are the examples of databases? Examples of databases? Same. Examples of databases are same. So these are the examples of databases. So where this data will store? Data will store in the database. So what is database? Collection of data. What are the examples of database? The examples of database is real-time retail database, healthcare database, education database, financial database, government database, entertainment database, and many more, etc. etc. So data is a collection of information. Database is a collection of data. Now, how this data will store? In which format? In which format data will store? In database. In which format? What format it will show? It will store. Anyone, please? So data can be stored in two ways, either in a table format or in a file format. Data can be stored in two ways. One is table format, one is file format. First, we'll deal with the table. Okay. So, what is the table? What is the table? What is table means? What is the table? Table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. So table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. So how they look like this? Please see. For example, I have a student table. The table is students. In this, I have the columns student name. I have it student ID, student name, city, state, marks. Okay. So now this table is having rows and columns. You see, please. The vertical lines are called columns. These are called columns, also called fields, also called attributes. The vertical lines are called columns. And this is a column header, column names, student ID, student name, city, state, marks are the column names. So inside this data, inside this table, data will store. So if the customer is the college, in the college clerk will enter student ID 10, name Raj, Bangalore, KAR, marks 100, like this. So they will enter the data. Okay. They will enter the data. Yes, please. Okay. So a table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Okay. So you can insert one more row. As many rows you can insert. Okay. As many rows as you insert. 150, for example. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? What is the table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. So these vertical lines, student ID, student name, city, state marks are the columns. There are 5 columns and 2 rows. There are 5 columns and 2 rows, correct? Am I right, guys? Everyone, yes or no, please? Yeah. Okay. So now we have seen what is data. Data is a collection of information. What is database? Database is a what is the database? Database is a collection of data. Okay. So database will store the data. And as I told you, data can be that is database. Data can be stored in 2 formats. One is table format, one is file format. Table is a collection of rows and columns. So the vertical lines are called columns. These are all columns or fields or attributes. Or fields or attributes. Then these are called rows or records. The horizontal lines are called rows or records. Rows or records. Understood, everyone? Are you clear till here, please? Everyone, are you clear? Okay. Now, in our system, where these tables will store or where these database will store, how to access the database, how to open the database, how to insert the tables in the database. So as I told you, data is a collection of information, and database is a collection of data. Database is a collection of data. Now, how this database will stored into our system? How? By using a database software. You must have a database software. Yes, please. Or a database server. What we must require? We must require database software or database server. So now, what are the database softwares you know? Can anyone tell? What are the database softwares you know? What are the database softwares? Oracle, SQL Server, SQL Server, Teradata, MySQL, etc., etc. Snowflake, MongoDB, Cassandra, Greenplum. There are many database softwares are there. In this, the most oldest software is Oracle, and the most powerful software is Oracle. Nowadays, also people are using Oracle. So, if you want to see the table, or if you want to create a table, if you want to insert the data into database, you must require a database server or a database software. Without database software, you cannot, without database software, you cannot store the tables. So that is how it is. Are you clear, everyone? So if you have database software, then if you have a database software, then you can easily access the tables. See now, I installed Oracle and I installed Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, I'm just opening Oracle SQL Developer. One second, please. Just a second. Yeah. So this is the database software. Oracle SQL Developer is the database software. So you must install this in your system before you deal with the database. Without a database software, or a database server, you cannot get the details whatever you want. Now see, I will show you the table. If you see here, so now you see tables, customer table. So this is how a table looks like. This table is inside the Oracle software. Okay. So did you understand, everyone, what is data database and how the data will store? What is the table? Are you able to clear? Are you able to understand? Everyone, are you able to understand? Okay, fine. Now, first of all, why this is required? What is the use? What is the use? I have a data, I have database, I have everything I have. But what is the use or where we will use this data or Oracle or Informatica? Where we will use? This is very important topic now. We are all learning Informatica. After learning Informatica, where you will use this? How you will use this? That is very important. What is the usage of Informatica or Oracle or data? Okay. Now for that, I will give a good example. Okay. Fine. So is everyone knows Big Bazaar? What is Big Bazaar? Do you know Big Bazaar, please? Everyone? What is Big Bazaar? It's a supermarket, right? Ultimately, it's a supermarket. The means it's a retail supermarket. So mainly Big Bazaar is for groceries, right? Groceries, fruits, vegetables, mainly, correct? And other things will be there. Okay, fine. So I am the CEO of Big Bazaar. For example, I am Raj. I am CEO, owner of the Big Bazaar. I am the owner of the Big Bazaar. Suppose there is a branch in Bangalore. One branch is there in Indranagar. So I have a Bangalore Indranagar branch, only one branch throughout India, and I have a Big Bazaar. At the end of the day, so what is it? Is a retail supermarket? It's a business, right? It's a retail business. Big Bazaar is a retail business, correct? Yes or no, please? What is Big Bazaar? It's a retail business. So now, if I have a business, at the end of the day, what I will see? I have a Big Bazaar business. At the end of the day, what I wanted to see from my business, if I have a business, what I will see at the end of the day? Quickly, please. What I will see at the end of the day if I have a business? If I have a business, I will see what is the total sales today. Total sales. And what are the expenses of today? Whether I got profit or whether I got loss. Correct? What are the total sales today? What are the expenses? What is the profit I got? What is the loss I got? I will see. Fine. Now, as a customer, I will go to Big Bazaar. I'll go to Big Bazaar. I'll take the trolley. I'll put all the groceries I wanted in the trolley. And I will go to the cashier. Now what cashier will do? Cashier will take each item. He will scan the barcodes. Once he scan all the barcodes, all the items, he will press enter or print. When you press print, you will get the bill in the printer. Bill print you will get. Internally, this data will go and store in the database. So in Big Bazaar system, they already installed Oracle or any other software. So what if I go to the cashier and if I give money to him, what is that called? Suppose I'll go to cashier, I'll take the groceries and I will give the money to the cashier. So what is that means? That process is called transaction, correct? I will do one transaction, yes or no? I will do one transaction. Suppose there are today 100 people entered into Big Bazaar. So there are 100 transactions, correct? Everyone, yes or no? If Big Bazaar from morning to evening, 100 people entered. They all purchased different items. So they all did the transactions. Hold on a second. Yes, please. What is it called? Transaction. Okay. Now, whenever these 100 customers will go to the cashier, when the cashier get the print, internally these 100 transactions will go and sit in the table in the database of Big Bazaar. This data is called transactional data. What is this 100 transactions are called? Ultimately, it's a data. Transactional data. Transactional data. This transactional data will go to this transactional data will go to where? To the database, to the table. So that is called transactional table. Okay, transactional table. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Clear about it? Hold on a second. Okay. So daily the transactional data will go and store in the transactional database, transactional tables or transactional database. Okay. So now after one day, I will see total sales. Big Bazaar owner will see today total sales happened 10 lakhs. In that expenses, what are the expenses of Big Bazaar? Rent of the building, maintenance of the building, employee salary of that date, cost price of the goods, all those things are called expenses. I got expenses of 8 lakhs. Now what is my profit? What is my profit? 10 lakh minus 8 lakh equal to 2 lakh. I got today how much profit? 2 lakhs. For example, tomorrow I got 5 lakh sales. I got 8 lakh expenses. Then I got 2 lakh loss. Correct? I got 3 lakh loss. Yes, please. Everyone? Yes or no? Yes, guys. So ultimately what I want daily basis sales report I want profit or loss report, correct? Profit or loss report, correct? For the Big Bazaar, what I want? For a Big Bazaar, as a Big Bazaar owner, because I have a business, I want to see today's sales report, today's profit or loss report. Like that, so what I want? I want daily report, correct? Do I need weekly report? Do I need weekly report? Do I need monthly report? Do I need quarterly report? And yearly report? Correct? Yes, please. This is what I want. Ultimately, I need these reports. Yes or no, please? Is it right? Everyone? Okay. I need yearly report. Okay, fine. For example, now after few years in Bangalore, there are in Bangalore, okay, there are how many big bazaars? 10 big 10 branches. In Bangalore, there are 10 branches. Okay. And in Chennai, I have 15 branches. In Hyderabad, I have 20 branches. In Pune, I have 5 branches. In Mumbai, I have 20 branches. Like that, I have different branches. Now, I need, when I have like this, okay, I need these things also, correct? I need these kind of reports also. What kind of reports? I want branch-wise report, correct? Do I need it? Do I need the branch-wise report daily basis? Branch-wide reports, correct? The pins in Bangalore, there are 10 branches. Indranagar branch, how much? Okay. Jayanagar branch, how much? JP Nagar branch, how much I need? And I need city-wise report, correct? City-wide report. Total Bangalore, how much I have? I got. Total Chennai, I have. Next. Statewide. Throughout Karnataka, how many? How much? Throughout Tamil Nadu, how much? Then zonal wide. Zonal wide means South zone, North zone, East zone, West zone. Then countrywide. Correct? So for any business, these two are important, correct? For any business, whatever the business we have, if we have these reports, then only our business will improve, correct? Yes or no, please? Is that right? Everyone, quickly, guys. Then who will generate this report? Whose work is to generate this report? That we will see now. Okay. So ultimately, every business needs reports. Banking or retail or healthcare or entertainment or whatever it is. Ultimately, they need a report. So how to get the report? Who will give these reports? There, we ETL people will go into the picture. Now please observe this image. Okay. Please observe this image. Hold on a second, please. So I have Big Bazaar. Okay. I have data. Correct. I have customer data. Yes or no, please? I am having Big Bazaar. I am a owner of Big Bazaar. Daily customers will enter. They will do the transactions. And my cashier will press enter. It will store in the table. It will store in the database. That is called transactional data or transactional tables. I have the tables data. This data is called OLTP, online transactional data, online transactional processing. What is OLTP? Online transactional processing. I have the data. Suppose I have 50 tables. In the 50 tables, I have data, customer data or transactional data I have. Now I want someone to generate the report, correct? Yes or no, please? I need some person to generate the report. So who will generate the report? As a Big Bazaar owner, I will contact to Accenture. So Accenture is having 30 years experience to generate these reports. This is a software company. I will contact to the software company and I will tell them that I will give the data to you. You give me the report. I will pay you. You give me the reports whatever I want. As per my business requirement, you give the reports. Who told? As a Big Bazaar owner, I contacted Accenture and I given money to Accenture and I will ask them to generate the reports based on the data what I have. So this data is called raw data. So this is a transactional data. Raw data means it's just what I can say, simple data, I can say, transactional data. Now, Accenture will take this data. So now, for Accenture, Big Bazaar is giving a project, correct? For Accenture, Accenture is handling a Big Bazaar project. What is the project purpose? Accenture will take the money from the Big Bazaar owner and he will take the data. Accenture will take the data from the Big Bazaar and they will generate the reports. So Big Bazaar is a client for Accenture. Big Bazaar is a customer for Accenture. Big Bazaar is a user or a stakeholder for Accenture, correct? Is it right? Who is the client for Accenture? Who is the customer for Accenture? Who is the user for Accenture? Who is the stakeholder for Accenture? Who is the test? Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar is a customer. Because Big Bazaar is giving the business to Accenture. Big Bazaar is paying the money to Accenture to get the reports. Now Accenture what he will do? Accenture will hire ETL developers like us. Accenture will hire ETL developers like us. They will, we ETL developers, what we will do? We will extract the data from the OLTP tables, modify by using Informatica. We will use Informatica tool. We will modify the data based on, we will modify the data and we will load the data. And from the loaded data, the reports will generate. So what we are all ETL developers, Informatica developers. ETL means extract, transform, load. So what as a, so Big Bazaar has given the data and also business to Accenture. Accenture will pay the salaries to their employees. They hire the employees and they will get the work done. How? As a ETL developer, I will extract the data from OLTP tables and I will transform it by using Informatica and I will load it to target or I will load it to OLAP analytical data. Okay. So 1 second, let me open that also. You see this, please. Ultimately, what we need? We need the reports to be generated. As the ETL developer, in Big Bazaar, there are 6 tables are there, 9 tables are there. So these 9 tables are from Big Bazaar. What are those called? Transactional tables, or raw data, or OLTP data, or source data, source tables, source database, all are same. As the Informatica developer, by using Informatica tool, I will extract the data or read the data or get the data and modify as per the business requirement and load it to target analytical data, load it to some tables. These are called OLAP. This is OLTP. This is OLAP. OLTP means online transactional processing. OLAP means online analytical processing. From OLAP, reporting people means who are working on Power BI, who are working on Tableau, who are working on Cognos, they will generate the reports. Okay. So ultimately what we are doing as an Informatica developer, we are generating, we are extracting, transforming and loading the data. Reporting people will generate the reports. Did you understand, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Everyone understood? Okay, fine. If you did not still understand, I will tell you a simple scenario. Okay, I'll tell you a simple scenario. See, please. For example, I want to build a house. I have 1 crore rupees. I want to build a house. What I will do? I'll go and I'll take the land first, correct? I'll get the site. Suppose I'll take 4,000 square feet land. In this 4,000 square feet land, I want to build a house. So will I only build it? Will I go and take the bricks, take the cement, and will I build myself? What I will do? Will I build myself, my home? Who will build? Who will build? Guys, if I have 1 crore rupees, will I myself build the home or will I give to anyone? I will give to the contractor or builder, correct? I will can't. So this is me. This is me. I have money. I have land. I will give to the builder. I will give the money to the builder, correct? I'll give to the builder. I'll get a contract. What I want ultimately? What is my goal? I want a 3-storied building. I want a builder. I want a building with 3 floors, with painting done, with interior done, with everything, plumbing, electrical, everything should be done. That is my requirement. Okay. So I have 1 crore rupees. I'll give this 1 crore rupees to builder. What builder will do? What builder will do? Builder will purchase the raw material, correct? Suppose I have the raw material. For example, I have the raw material. In out of 1 crore for 20 lakhs, I purchased raw material means bricks, cement, sand, iron, all I purchased. For 20 lakh rupees, I purchased all the raw materials. I given the raw materials to the builder and the money to the builder. Now what builder will do? Builder will hire the worker, correct? Builder will hire the workers. Yes or no, please? Will the builder will build the building? No. Builder will hire the workers. You have to reply quickly, please. When I ask a question, you have to reply in the chat. When I ask a question, you have to reply in the chat. So, builder will hire the workers. And builder will give a plan to workers. What workers will do? Workers will give a good shape to the raw material, correct? They will take bricks, sand, cement, concrete, whatever iron they will take, and they will give a good shape to building. Correct? Yes or no, please? Is it right what I am saying? So in this case, I am the big bazaar. I want a building. I want the reports. Big bazaar want the reports. I want a building. What I have? I have raw material and money. What big bazaar have? Big bazaar is having data and money. So big bazaar has given data and money to Accenture. I given data, I given raw material and also money to builder. So Accenture has hired ETL developers. Okay. So builder has hired workers. ETL developers will take the data, extract the data, transform or modify, and will give a good shape to data. That is called analytical data based on the requirement. Same way, workers will take the raw materials, modify the raw materials, and give a good shape to building. Clear, please? Are you clear? So I am in this phase. So only the building got constructed. Only the data got good shape. But building, can I just building is there? Can I live in that building? Without interiors painting, can I live without giving a without painting and no, right? Same way. If you give this analytical data to the customer, they will not understand. We need to give good shape to this data, means reports. Same way, this building, what they will do for the building, they will paint it, they will do the interior, they will do the tiles work, they will do the plumbing work, they will do the electrical work, everything they will give a good shaped building to the customer. Same ETL developers are doing where? Till here. Our work is what? Extract, transform, load. That's it. Once we load the data to target tables or OLAP tables, reporting people will generate the reports. So what? Ultimately, what is the use of Informatica now? Why we are using Informatica? What is the use of Informatica? To extract, transformed. Yes, please. Extract, transform, load. Extract what? Data. Which data? Transactional data. Extract transactional data where? From source tables or transactional tables. Transform the data. Transform, extract, or read or get the data. Transform the data. Transform means modify the data as per the business requirement. And load or write or put the data to analytical tables. Also called OLAP tables. These are called OLTP tables. From these OLAP tables, reporting developers who are working on reporting developers who are working on Power BI or Tableau will generate the reports. Clear? Are you clear? Everyone understood clearly? Did you understand what is the use of Informatica? I given a best example where nowhere you will get it. So this is how our sessions will be there. So did you understand today's session? Is it interesting? Is it understandable? Is my English is interesting? Sorry, is my English is understandable? Is my session is interesting? Are you getting bored in my session? So our next sessions will be like this only. From the next session, we'll directly go to working sessions. No theory. Directly we'll work on it. And interesting. The main thing is interesting. Okay, interesting sessions. Who is a reporting developer? Who are working on Power BI? These are called reporting developer. So this is how we will do the sessions daily basis. So are you liking my sessions, guys? Did you like today's session? Did you get something from today's session? So as I told you, whoever paid the full fee. So I have shared my what channel website channel link. Can you open and subscribe, please? Can you open this link and click on subscribe button? Can you click on subscribe button, please? So this button you need to press. click on subscribe button. Okay. So and you can comment. This video will be uploaded. This video will be uploaded in YouTube. Okay, you can watch it. So I told you, whoever paid the full fee, they will get the below access. They will get the below access. What are those? Number one, WhatsApp group access. Number two, daily recordings. Number three, daily material, website access. So these four, if you pay the full fee, then only will get it. So please pay the full fee to get this access. And next session is on Monday. Next session is on Monday. So before Monday, please install Oracle and Informatica. So if you did not get it, Oracle and Informatica softwares, so please always WhatsApp on 9880490148. So this is our official WhatsApp number, Rauscow Technologies. So this will be shown here also if you want. So this is the main WhatsApp number we have. We can WhatsApp to this. We can give it. Fine, guys. So I hope you got very good knowledge with this session. So how is the session? Is it understandable? Is it understandable, everyone? Is it interesting? Is it interesting, please? Okay. So see you on Monday then. See you on Monday, guys. Monday sharp 9:30. Monday sharp 9:30, please. Okay. Yes, guys. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. How to install Oracle? How to install Informatica? WhatsApp us. Take this WhatsApp number and WhatsApp us. Take this WhatsApp number and WhatsApp us. We'll send the link. Meanwhile, so you please subscribe my channel. Okay. So please subscribe my channel. Click on subscribe button and send to your friends. Ask them to subscribe. See you guys. Thank you all. Thank you all. Have a good day. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. I hope you understood this topic well. Before closing the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, please browse my rajinformatica.com for all the software courses. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.